Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Assistant routines on Android. So the Google Assistant routines help you automate multiple tasks with a single voice command. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and use Google Assistant routines on Android. So first, you can just say, "Hi Google, open Assistant settings," or you can also do it manually by going to the Google app. Here, tap on Google, and then you can just tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Go to settings and find Google Assistant. And now you can just scroll down until you find the routines options. This one, click on it. Okay, so in here you can just create a new routine. You can tap on new or choose a pre-made routine such as this one, bedtime, community home, community. So you can just choose which one. I'm going to just tap on new. Here you can choose a type of routine, personal or household. I'm going to just go with personal. And now you can set the title. Here, for example, I'm going to just choose, for example, wake up. Tap on a check icon. Now you can just tap on add starter and choose how you can trigger the routine. For example, here you can use the voice command such as good morning or time schedule, or maybe at sunrise or sunset. So it's location based, so you can just choose which one. I'm going to just go, for example, at a specific time. You can just tap on add starter, and you can also add actions to the routine. So after selecting a trigger, you can just tap on add action to include tasks like, for example, turning on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or do not disturb, playing music, read the weather or news updates. So I'm going to just go with, for example, this one, tell me about the weather. Click on done, and now you can just tap on save after adding the actions. And now you can just try your routine by saying the routine name. So for example, hi Google, good morning, or others. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.